One of the most annoying things you can ever encounter is having trouble trying to send something from your Android phone to your Mac. Trust me, it's a pain. But hey, I have a solution for you. So on today's how-to, you're going to be looking at how to transfer things from your Android device to your Mac PC with a USB. So the app is called Android File Transfer. Just head over to your preferred browser and search for Android File Transfer. The website is www.android.com. It's an Android file transfer which is provided by the Android software company itself. You can head over to the site directly or search it with your browser. Click the link and open the website, and it's very straightforward. Now download the Android File Transfer app. You see download now onto your Mac. So hit the download now button. Find it in the downloads folder or whichever location you saved it to, and open the app. Click to open the software application package and move the application into your applications folder. Since I have it already, it's asking me to replace, so I'll simply do that. I'll replace it, and voila, you now have your Android file transfer application on your phone. So now that you have the software on your PC, simply connect your Android phone to your computer, choose the file transfer or Android Auto option on the pop-up on your screen. Do not select no data transfer or transfer photos. Select file transfer or Android photo, and then open your app on your PC. Voila, as you can see, I can now access all the files on my phone right from my Android PC, and I can also send things to the Android PC. I can simply transfer this file back to my phone. It will copy, and that will be all. So yes, that's it. With these few simple steps, you can now transfer things to and from your Android phone using your MacBook. Thank me later.